Hello everyone, this is Ray from Price Action Limited. Like always, I will take you guys through a brief breakdown of two free signals which gave us insane amount of pips. But today, we will show you guys one of the key strategy we use while we trade. We will show you exactly how we analyze a chart and trade like bank does. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So we will break down gold first. So this is wake up accumulation schematic. The first thing we saw after seeing the price action that we have this preliminary supply run. Now what is a preliminary supply run? The preliminary supply run is a substantial buying begins to provide pronounced support after a prolonged down move. So our volume increases and price spread widens, like signaling that the down move may be approaching its end. So after that, we saw selling climax. So what is a selling climax? Selling climax is the point at which widening spread and selling pressure, usually like climaxes and heavy or panicky selling by the public, is being absorbed by larger or professional interest like the bank does. Now after selling climax, we saw this automatic reaction in price. Now what is an automatic reaction? Now automatic reaction occurs because intense selling pressure has greatly diminished, which means that supply has been dropped. After that, we have seen secondary test. Now what is a secondary test? In which price revisits the area of the secondary test to supply or demand the balance at these levels. Now after the secondary test, we were waiting for the final move, which is spring. Now we had FOMC news at that moment, so we were waiting for price to show the news move before we enter. Now here you can see, right when the news was published, we took this trade at this level. So this was our entry when the FOMC news was published and the price was really volatile. So we took our stop loss a bit widened so that we could give our trade enough breathing room. Now let's see how our analysis worked out. See, 0 to no drawdown. Precisely we caught this huge move. Not only we took this trade on our PFX VIP, we also shared the same thing in our free channel. Yes, absolutely for free. And we have posted a brief video about it yesterday. So go and check it out now. Now for the second breakdown, we have used Mexican, and this is wake up distribution schematic. The first thing we saw was the same preliminary supply run. Now what is this preliminary supply run over here? It is where the large interests begin to unload shares in quantity after a pronounced up move. So the volume expands and price spread widens. And this signals that there is a change in trend may be approaching. After that, we had buying climax. Now the buying climax is where the market often increases in volume and price spread, and this force of buying reaches a climax with heavy or urgent buying by the public being fueled by professional interest, same as what bank does. After that, we had automatic reaction. It is where the intense buying substantially diminished after the buying climax and heavy supply continuing, and automatic reaction takes place. After that, we had secondary test. Now the secondary test in which price revisits the area of the buying climax to test the demand or supply balance at these price levels. Now after that, we had upthrust in price. So after the upthrust in price, we waited for our UTET, and when the UTET was happening, we took our entry there. So we took our entry here and placed the stop loss right there, and our target was this equal loss over here. Now let's see how this analysis worked out. Just look at it, no drawdown, little to no drawdown, we precisely caught this huge move again. So even though there were FOMC news during the gold trade and there were news over this USD Mexican trade also, but it aligned with our analysis. So if you guys just followed our trade and took this trade with us, you guys can also trade like we do, like the banks do. So having said all of that, we are giving away iPhone and some accessories to you guys. So if you guys want to participate in the giveaway, join our Telegram channel right now. The link is given in the description. Go check it out now.